You already know that most roofing websites look the same. Static photos, sometimes a contact form, and a basic list of services. But how did this all make you stand out? And the solution I'm about to show you is easier than all of those and actually stands out because no one else is offering it. It is an AI interactive website that lets homeowners visualize their new roof and calculate their ROI even before they call you. It turns a price shopper into an investor immediately. In this video, I'm going to show you an example about how powerful this is. Then I'm going to give you this exact AI site plus a sales script and a prompt so you can do this yourself for free. Let's jump right in. So this is the amazing AI site that I was just talking about that's going to run them through this amazing quiz. Now I'm going to go over that in a sec, but I also have this entire sales script plus this AI prompt that's going to do all of the work for you. But before I even get into any of that, let me walk you through exactly how this works. So you're going to a roofing company, okay, and they need to upgrade their website. Well, they don't just need any new website. They need something that can actually close customers and has an AI element because AI is the future. Well, look no further than this free template that I am going to give you. And check this out. We come right in here and we click calculate ROI, and it's going to walk the leads through this exact process. So they come in, they go, what's your home's architectural style? They pick from one of these. So say they pick modern. It's then going to say, which roofing material do you prefer? Let's say standing seam metal. Then they put in their home value, which you can find anywhere, Zillow, and all these places. Let's just say 500,000. They click continue. Square footage, let's just say it's 3,000. They continue. Target budget, they would put in whatever their target budget is, because some people will put in, higher or lower. They put in, they click calculate results, and then right here, it's immediately going to show the value increase by getting a new roof, which is huge because adding a new roof is actually extremely beneficial for selling a home. If you do not know, this is what the roofing companies will love for you to do, is show their potential leads the value. Because again, if you're doing marketing services or SaaS services or AI services for, let's say, a roofing company, this is the part that's missing. People don't see the value. And then right here, they can click get formal quote. And we even have a disclaimer down here as well so you can stay compliant. But that is extremely powerful. And guys, I'm telling you right now, regular websites don't cut it anymore. You need something that can actually close leads or has an AI element because it's new, but it's also going to help the roofing company that you're servicing as a client do way better. All right, so now that I showed you exactly what is going on, it's now time to go through the whole process of how you actually do this. Because now you understand, okay, I get this, but now we got to go over finding clients on Google, okay, using the sales script to get them in, and then most importantly, using a VibeCoder with my free AI prompt to properly build out your own custom demo as well, or just a website in general for them so we can actually go through this. Because everyone online on YouTube just shows you what to do. They don't show you actually how to do it and then how to sell it. I want to show you all this. I also want to let you know that if you have any questions during this video at all, drop them in the comments down below and I will answer personally. Also, I do not have some outdated course or some high-ticket coaching to sell you. None of that. Everything I'm going to be showing you in this video is free from me. So let's go right through it. So once you understand this, we're then going to come to Google Maps and we're going to search for a roofing company in your area. So we're going to do roofing in, let's say, Seattle. Okay, boom. We click it, you put in whatever location is, and you will see right here, they have a ton of different businesses. I mean, it's basically all the businesses you can need. So what we want to do is we want to find the websites, okay, that are lacking, that don't have any of these AI integrations. And good news for you, if you're watching this video in 2026 or even 2027, not many businesses have AI. So it's super easy to sell compared to how it used to be. Again, that's not a guarantee, but it will be way easier. So we're going to go through and we're going to pick the businesses that have poor websites. We're going to click these guys and boom. Oh my gosh, right there. Website is just not up to par. Okay, we'll keep going. Keep going. We'll click these guys. Yeah, very bad. And you can keep going. I mean, I could find unlimited leads. You just go through, and for the sake of the video, I'm just going to use this one because we will literally be here all day. But like, boom, this is not a great website. I'm not trying to pick on these guys, by the way. This is totally random. It's just for the sake of the video, educational purposes only. But you can go through and find unlimited businesses with poor websites. Like if you guys are like, man, I don't know if this online AI stuff, you can make money with an AI agency. You absolutely can. There are so few people that are actually doing this, and there's so many businesses that don't have this. Like, trust me, like this is very unsaturated. So now that you find a client you like, the next thing you need to do is build something for them, then get in touch with them. So the cool part is we have multiple different ways we can do this. So first off, I have this entire sales script that you can use. Again, I'm going to be showing you how to get this completely free. Again, I don't have some courses, so you don't worry, but I'm going to show you in a sec how to get this all for free. But this right here is essentially a sales script you can use to basically close this person once you talk to them. Okay, because you can reach out a billion different ways. via SMS if it's opted in, email, cold call, voicemail, walk-in, direct mail. Like there's so many different ways, social media DM. But then from there, what you can do is we can actually build these people a brand new website in seconds using AI, okay, and going through stuff like this with these AI integrations. Now, what you want to do is you want to use this demo site that I'm giving you for free as basically part of your pitch. So you want to show them in it. So you go, hey, look at this. So they see the value. You don't just want to yap. Too many of you guys are out here right now just being professional yappers, and it's scaring the clients away because everyone keeps hearing about AI, but no one actually knows what it is. That is why you want to use stuff like this where they can go through and they can see just how powerful this is, because that's when the dollars turn in their mind. Does that make sense? When they see what you're actually doing, not you just talking about it, because no one really knows what AI means. You have to show them. So again, you want to use this exact thing for the business you found that has, not a great website, and use a sales pitch to basically get them in. And don't worry, we're going to go over pricing in just a second because I will show you what to charge for this. But the main thing is before you even pitch, you want to show them the value. Again, I know I keep saying show, don't tell, but this is why this is so important, because if you come in and you just immediately just go for the sale, they're probably going to go, hey, go away. But if you come in first, okay, you find the business, you find which ones aren't very good, you show them this. We then can go a step further, which is using a VibeCoder, okay, and this free AI prompt to build out a website for them. So then it matches their business. So they go, wow. You could even do this potentially before, but this is how you will absolutely crush for roofers, because so many people out here are just kind of walking around saying, hey, I kind of do this, I kind of do that. When you go, hey, I can solve your roofing problems and you can pay me, dude, I'm telling you, there's a lot of money in that if you do that properly. So what we now need to do is we now need to use this VibeCoder, okay, and this AI prompt to build it out, which I'm just going to show you right now. So if you don't know what a VibeCoder is, it's essentially a place where you can talk to AI and it'll build stuff for you. Now, this is the best one I've used. It's on a software called GoHighLevel. And the cool part about this entire operation is I've actually worked out a deal right down below to get you an exclusive 30-day free trial with the software. That way you can try all of this out, get access to all of my assets, plus my free community, which I'm gonna talk about in a sec. And if you like it, after 30 days, you can pay for the software, which is like 97 bucks. And there's other plans, very cheap. But if you don't like it, you can cancel. That way it is zero risk for you. There's no one else offering this kind of stuff. But the reason why is you have to have some sort of AI use. And I'm telling you, HighLevel has the best AI, and they also have AI agents and a bunch of other stuff. But the thing is I'm not just going to say, hey, sign up with that 30-day free trial and you're lost. When you sign up, I'm going to immediately email you access to my private community where we can basically help you out. We have 30-day challenges. So we can give you hand-holding. You can ask questions, but more importantly, we have all of the trainings and pre-built out systems. We have a lot more prompts. We have pre-built out websites. We have all this stuff for you so you can get started fast, plus video trainings. But most importantly, we have up to 7 live coaching calls on Zoom you can attend for free. So I'm talking ones even with me, okay? Not like, hey, pay me $10K to get my mastermind. You can have it for free, bro. It's yours. And a bunch of other amazing coaches, trainings on how to get clients, trainings on how to scale, help with GoHighLevel, like everything you could possibly want. You can even message me whenever you want up in this right-hand corner. No one else is giving away what I'm giving away, and it's all free when you use that 30-day free trial link down below. So I think it's a no-brainer. And again, if you try it and in 30 days you absolutely hate the community, you hate me, and you hate everyone, you can leave. Costs you $0. So that is why I recommend this. But now let's go through with what we were doing, which is using this AI prompt to build this all out. Because if we do this the old way and we say, hey, Martin's Roofers, we're going to build you a website, and we go on Wix or one of these dumb softwares and we just keep typing, it'll take us hours to build. But instead, we want to use a prompt that's pre-made, put it in a VibeCoder, and have the VibeCoder build it all out. So in here, as you see, there's a bunch of different things we can fill out, but we don't want to go through all of that because that's going to take too much time, and this business doesn't have a whole lot of stuff. So what we're going to do instead is we are just going to paste their homepage URL, which is this right here. So we have the basic info, and then we're going to let this VibeCoder do all of the work. So we don't have to even go through all of it. Now, you technically could go in a roof repair and all this other stuff. But since this website doesn't really have much, we're just going to click that, and then we're going to click enter. And essentially what this VibeCoder is going to do, it's going to reach in, it's going to find the exact info on this website, and then it's going to build out everything, forms, AI pages, everything in seconds. So check this out. Whoa, look at that. Is that not absolutely insane? Look at that. We went from this, all right, to this in seconds. Do you see how powerful this is, guys? That is the power of the right AI prompt with a powerful VibeCoder like GoHighLevels. Now, here is the absolutely crazy part. It's very little work for you, but it looks like you are doing a ton of work. So you can go to a business like this and you can immediately give them this website for a couple $100 or even free, okay, because it didn't take you a lot of time, but it looks highly valuable, and immediately you build the reciprocity, which brings me to my next point, which is once you get them in, and you could absolutely sell this, but once you get them in, you then want to get them on the recurring money. Because if you can say, hey, now let me get you on the rest of the stuff, because Go-High-Level, the software this VibeCoder is built on, has AI agents, has calendars, all these other things we can connect to it, you then can make good recurring money. And if you can stack up the recurring money, that's how you can grow predictably month after month. But I mean, you just saw how powerful this was. We took a website that was not that good, that we found on a struggling business, and turned it into something that is beautiful with just one prompt and a couple clicks of the keypad. That is absolutely crazy. But now that you understand all this, let's go over some pricing so you understand how this works. So as you see here, we go from the demo website to the sales script to the Vibe prompt. We go right through. That's kind of the sequence. And then what we want to do is we want to charge up to $297 beyond for this price. Because here's the thing. Once you get them in, and I have other videos too, you can drop a comment down below if you want to see what else we sell them. With high level, there's so many upsells that you can get this all the way up to $97 a month at $1,000+ a month. And if you're doing a good job, business will have no problem paying. That is the beauty of the AI age. And if you don't believe me, you're like, there's no way this is real, click the link down below and you'll see all of the case studies and people that are normal, just like you, that are doing this. It is an absolute gold mine. Okay, now obviously you have to work hard, but I mean, I'm telling you, recurring money is where it's at. If you're just doing one-time stuff, you'll never properly grow. You need the recurring because that's what's going to help you stack over every single month with that continuity offer. Now, you can absolutely sell that website that we just built for $1,000 plus. You absolutely can. But sometimes in the long run, it makes more sense to get them on a recurring fee than a one-time. Because think about it this way. If you charge them $1,500, okay, for a one-time payment, you get $1,500 in, and then you may struggle to sell the upsell where they may want something lower. Whereas you give them that, and then you show the value of the recurring because, again, it wasn't much work for you. What happens if you're charging $300, $400, $500 a month, after 3 months, that's more than $1,500. And if you keep a client for a couple years, well, it's thousands of dollars. So you have to think like that. But again, this is what I would recommend you charge. If you have any questions too, and you're like, what should I do in this situation? Drop a comment down below and I will answer personally. So I have you covered either way. All right, so quick recap because you now understand the whole process. Number one, you want to use this free demo site to show the business. Okay, again, to find your business, you're going to type in the exact niche you want, which would be roofing in this case, and the exact location. That's really important, which you're going to want to have something local. Find a website that is struggling like this one. Then, okay, use the basics of the sales pitch to kind of get them in. But if that's too much too soon, we then want to immediately use the VibeCoder on GoHighLevel, which again, you get for free right down below, using my prompt, putting it in, and then from there, all you have to do is give them the right price point, give them even a free trial, and then move on to the next step. So very simple. Again, you can do all of this right now. You don't even need my help. You can just go and do this right now if you have the tools. But if you don't, I highly, highly recommend you go right down below and you sign up with your 30-day free trial. They might even be running a promo where you get 50% off. It changes, but again, check that because if you can get your hands on this now, I'm telling you, it can change everything for you. And then you get access to my entire private community with all my trainings, challenges, and everything, which is like at least $15,000 worth of bonuses for free. Again, like there's no one I know that my size that literally still talks to them. I do. Like you're not going to find it anywhere else. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're interested, go down below and click that. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will answer personally. But what I want to do now is I want to link a video that's going to go over what you get when you join the community and some, people talking about it so you know that this isn't just me hyping it up because I can talk all day. I kind of, love to promote my own stuff. But in reality, like there are other people that love this community and swear by it because guess what? It's free. So if that interests you, watch the video that pops up right now.